Okay, let's see this previous year's question of JEE Mains 2025 January session, and this question is about there is a function given which is satisfying this functional equation, then we have to find the all possible square of all possible value of k. So, as you can see this functional equation is very common functional equation and very important functional equation, and we know that there are only two functions which are going to satisfy this. What are the functions? The function is going to be either 1 plus x to the power n, here n is given degrees 2. So, either 1 plus x square or 1 minus x square. Only two functions are going to satisfy this. Now, which one is the function? First we select this. So, here it is given for this domain, this should be the codomain. Now, you just cross check, take any value which is greater than or which is from the domain, and let us put it and let us check it here. So, if I put let us say x is equal to 1 here, so f of 1 will become 2, and which is clearly not in the codomain, means this function I cannot take, but here it will say if you put x is equal to 1, f of x will be minus 1, and this is clearly there in the domain, means my function first of all is f of x is equal to 1 minus x square. And once the function is decided, then it is given f of k is equal to minus 2k. So, put the value. So, minus 2k will be 1 minus k square. Then k square minus 2k minus 1 will be equal to 0. So, there we are going to get two values of k, k1 and k2. They are asking sum of possible values of square of sum, means they are asking k1 square plus k2 square. As we can see, this is nothing but k1 plus k2 whole square, yes or no, minus 2k1 k2. So, k1 plus k2 will be, this is a quadratic, minus b by a. So, 2 whole square, and k1 k2 is c by a. So, c is minus 1. So, answer will be 6. So, correct answer will be 6.